Hello Team IBM. Welcome to the demo video showcasing our project on identifying patterns and trends in campus placement data using machine learning. This app harnesses the power of data analytics, machine learning, and web technologies to provide a comprehensive solution for optimizing the placement process for students as well as the educational institutions. In this video, we will take you through our innovative project. So, this is our home screen and it is a responsive website and user friendly. So, this is the laptop view and this is the tablet view. And this home screen contains all the insights containing data about all three tier college students and their salary patterns. Let's take a look at each and every insight that is present in the home screen. So the first graph. So the first graph tells us it is a scatter plot between the CGPA and salary. If you carefully observe that CGPA is one of the most influencing factor. That is, if the student CGPA is higher, then they are going to get the higher package. This is same for even the tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3 college students. And then the next graph. These graphs tell us about student salary distribution, that is percentage of students who are getting above a certain range of salary. And then student earning patterns. So these semi pie charts give us what is the percentage of each tier college students who are getting about 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs per annum. You can observe that tier 1 is at the topmost in both the charts, and then followed by tier 2 and tier 3, and then tier wise salary distribution. So it gives us highest average and lowest salary in each tier. And then in previous graph we observed highest, lowest, and average salary by tier wise. Here we can see branch wise what is the highest, lowest, and average salary. And then multi-tier branch placement status. So in this graph, you can observe that what is the percentage of students who are getting placed and not placed in each branch. So CSC at the top and then followed by triple EC and mechanical. So this gives us what is the role of branch, which is really important to decide what is the number of students getting placed in that branch. And then there are even some of the economic factors which really decide the placement status of the students and even number of jobs created in that country. So in this graph, we have taken the GDP change of India and even US and number of jobs created in each year, that is from 2005 to 2022. We can see that there is a relation between these three things, that is GDP change in India, US, and jobs created. That is, if the change in GDP of US is increased, then it is going to make impact on even GDP change in India, and even the number of jobs created are even increased and vice versa. And then the next graph, it gives us about the placement percentage of students in each year based on the GDP change. So if GDP change is higher, then it is going to make a positive impact on number of students placed. So what we want to conclude is GDP change is even one of the most influencing factor on number of students getting placed each year. And then key placement influences, they are CGPA and then some of the technical skills like web services and data analytics. And the top most factors which are influencing the placements are number of programming languages, CGPA, internships, and web development. And then finally, what are the technical skills that are to be learned by the students to get the average package? They are machine learning and web development. So this is all about home screen, and this gives us all the general insights that a student or college management they can get by observing all the three tier colleges. To get all the insights of the home screen, we have taken data from various sources, that is LinkedIn and even some of the Kaggle data sets. And these are the notebooks which we worked on. It contains all the details, what all the data analysis which we have performed on those data sets. And we have even attached these notebooks with our submission. We can have a look at that. And then let's dive into the heart of our project, that is campus placement analyzer. So this is the screen where the college management they can upload the CSV or Excel format. First, they need to download the sample format which we mentioned. So this is the sample format, and they need to give the data in this format. That is, their data need to contain all the columns which we mentioned over here. And now I'm going to upload here data which I have. So I have students data, and it just takes 2 or 3 seconds to get the detailed analysis of everything. So here you can get the detailed analysis of each and everything. This is one of the wonderful feature of our project. Here you can see number of students getting placed, not placed, and highest salary in each branch, and what are the technical skills that are to be learned by the student to get the average package, and what is the percentage of students who are getting about 20 lakhs per annum, placed and not placed, percentage of students in each branch. And then what is the impact of DSA, programming languages, and number of projects done by the student to get the expected salary, and what salary they can get by doing all the things. So this really helped the college management to get the overall insights about the upcoming placements, and this really helps the management to take the right decisions on what factors to focus on uh, to help the students developing which of the skills. And one of the wonderful thing is they can even get the Excel sheet generated over here. You can see that this Excel sheet contains the placement status of the each student, and even what is their salary range and probability of that student getting placed. So this is the second screen, that is campus placement analyzer, and then the third screen is about student placement analyzer. So in this screen student can upload their resume. So let's take a look at it. Here I am going to upload my resume. So this is my resume, and some of the details are automatically filled, and some of the details are need to be filled by the student. A number of internships 2, projects 4, 9.7, 10. And yeah, let's see what will happen if I click on predict. Yeah, you can see that here is my prediction. That is, my placement chances of getting placed are 98%, and my predicted salary is 20 lakhs per annum. And then these are my recommended skills. That is, these skills really help me to get the higher packages. So this is about our project, and this screen really helps the student to focus on what technical skills they need to learn to get the higher packages. And this is completely about our project with some of the two wonderful skills, that is campus placement analyzer and student placement analyzer. And this really helped the students and even the college management to take the right decisions. And thank you.